Welcome back to Galaxy Survival today, guys. Hope you guys are doing well. I was going to show you this video. But battery died. So I opted for this video. Hope you guys like it. What is your go-to for starting fires? Is it this now common lighter we all see, or is it the Bic? Sorry guys. It's now the Bic. More common, very what's the word? Traditional. Or it's the great old Zippo. Sorry, I'm using the book as a background so everything don't blend in with my shirt. What can we say about the Bic? Bic is true. It is, let's see, you can get that on video. It is true. It's small, flame small, don't have much power. It's only variable. It's only, what's the word? It's only good until the gas runs out. It is a everyday carry for some people that smoke, or people that just like to carry a lighter. I know that's me. Now and then I like to carry a lighter. I don't smoke at all, but I like to carry a lighter. I know, that makes no sense. My mom always said I'm gonna wet the bed one day playing with fire. Well, I haven't wet the bed yet. I know these type of Bic lighters are good for wrapping duct tape around them. Excuse me. Wrap duct tape around them. Put them in little burn kits. The Zippo, on the other hand, is a timepiece. It is classic. It's true to its name. It's been around for a long time. You always hear a Bic. Or sorry, you always hear a Zippo when you hear that. I love that sound. Zippos are supposed to be wind resistant, more powerful. The flame is always higher. And you can adjust that too. I have mine usually about midway down. I don't need anything crazy. Unlike the Bic, it's not more of a timepiece to show it off, to express yourself, to say, hey, I got a whole piece of classic, and with a piece of plastic, and it rhymes. Classic. The Zippos are all metal, and last for a long time. One maintains, one's disposable. Me personally, I'm Team Zippo. How about we get in the comments about this and see which one's better, Team Zippo or Team Bic? I want to hear you guys. Well, see you guys later. Peace out and have a good day. Catch you on the flip side.